Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV. Boy.
Chanel bag, Chanel slippers. We are going. We are going to play. You want me to buy your slippers and a bag? Sure, toughy. Me do that for you, darling. Me have about 6,000 and that. 1,000 and that for that. 7,000. Yeah, 7,000 for my bag. 1,000 and for my shoes. And my glasses were like $600. I'm like, and the clothes of my advance are the good things. Oh, American lifestyle, you know? American style. I'm a cash it too. See there? I cash it too. I cash it when I broke over here, so hello. Can I make 2 phone calls? Cash it. I say hello. See, if you have this money, you have to have the good bag then. Yeah. So all this money then, you have to have the real Chanel them to have this money then. If you have the real bag them, you carry this money then. And it's a cash. Cash, no card. If I have card, I can't take out card. So, I look on them, you know. Because I rich, I say I'm not look back. I call you Crosses TV, you know, I love in a real life. And we always bring. So, Mr. Pyro with a good bag then. So no broke girl can't style me. Me no hype and broke. Me no do that. Me no hype and broke. Me no do that. Me stay in my lane. It's my time. You see there? A real bag. I mean work hard and lights. Yeah. Money there. I have my real glasses then. So my real glasses in there. No fake glasses. See? Yeah. Real Chanel glasses. Real Chanel glasses. I'm not real fake. Yeah. Anytime I have a fake, I choose to wear fake. Because God bless me so. Back in the days I used to wear fake. And when I start make enough money, I start wear fake. And I come back and when I buy fake, I choose to buy because I support the vendors them. Because some of the vendors them, I'm a friend them. I support because I don't need them. That's some fun me there because material things don't make way. You understand? Anything I want, I can buy it. Thank you, Jesus. One time I couldn't do it. But I'm saying from nothing to something though. Umber like that. So I'm real back there. Real Chanel though. Real. I have to have real money. So you know you can't get anything. You know, I have to have real money. Real money. Not no fake money. Not no fake money. Go up and take out your money and show some money. And stop the chatting because you chat too much. Yes. Chat too much. Every day just a chat. You don't want to fight. You just every day upon this tell be your life on the gram. You don't tell like girl. Every time I tell them I say I'm from police. Hey, I'm bad man. I don't tell no life for the gram. No life for the gram. I will not live for the gram. You will live for the gram. You're a storyteller. Yes, it's a storyteller war. I'm not in a storyteller business. When me war with truth. I don't war with lie. Yes, I war with truth. If you come for me, I'm a real up. Bring back my blood clot wig. Bring back my Fendi bag. Bring back my bodega shoes. Yes, that's what I talk about. Bring back my things them. Come and burn it up. Remember say you ask Melissa. When you Melissa go on the road, go thief. Remember say when you vex with Melissa, because Melissa don't want to chat me. You tell me say, tell me to give back your things them. And when Melissa give back the things out of the barrel, everything mash up in the woman barrel. And what you do? You burn up everything. And you know the woman they want to give to Jamaica for the poor people in Jamaica. You can't style me no day no time. You can't front for them. You can't front for me and God, because me and you and God know the truth. It's a fronter. You can't style me no day. Real money. Real money. Real blood clot money. Oh, let me get a chocolate with cream. Yeah, baby. Please, sometime.
And what would you like again?
To order? I don't really to order.
Oh, no. You can do it.
No, I'll get my hot chocolate first. And nobody now look for me. I don't want nobody.
Drinks, okay?
Nobody can look for blood clot me. Yeah. No bomber rascal body. Everything paying at the street. We pretty good in the street. We don't want nobody in the street. But say you want thief, my man, I want it, my other friend. He's a thief. He's a thief. You are a thief. Thief, what that you do? But I don't tell you already, I done the chatting with you. I fight, I want blood clot fight you. Remember the day you bring war with me? I said I don't want to fight, I'm ready for fight now. I'm ready for fight now. I'm ready for blood clot fight now. I'm ready for go to prison now. I'm ready for fight. Take a plane and come down, I said they are New York. Come down, I'm ready for fight now. Come to New York, I'm ready for blood clot fight now. I'm ready for go to jail. Because most of the blood clot come out of jail. I'm ready for fight. Ready for fight. Cause you just chat off your stinking mouth on the media. Chat off your stinking mouth on the media. Every day just talk. Anything we do for love, we don't do for no hype. Bunch of hurt me, put in the bunch of help me. You don't reach my shoes yet. You can't reach my heel bottom yet. Melissa come from Jamaica. You don't come from Jamaica. It's about Jamaica. And start represent Jamaica because I don't represent Jamaica. Jamaican people don't laugh off for you. They don't want to tell you. I laugh them all laugh off for you. 820 Jamaican pan this. And then we can talk about. 820 Jamaican pan the IG. And then we can talk about. 820 Jamaican pan this. And then you can chat to me. You can't chat to me because you're not at nobody. You're not afraid nobody. 820 Jamaican pan this. You can't help no Jamaican. I full of corruption. Member say you and Melissa go on the road. Melissa go on the road, they can't work me and work. And when you're in the car, Melissa, you try to chat me. Melissa said, no, I'm not chat Kim. It's a Jamaican. Melissa, me you're Jamaican, Kim not Jamaican. And Melissa shut it down. I come Melissa shut it down. Say Kim tell blood clot. Melissa said, must send all of my teeth them, all of the teeth in good them. And I tell her, say, no, do it. You want to tell the police over my blood clot here for the girl. And when the girl put the things in the barrel, everything but the aisle bust up, everything bust up in the girl barrel. Huh? You can't chat to me? You can't talk to me no day. Not in my worst day you can't talk to me. You can't talk to me. No day, no time. I'm ready for fight. I'm ready for war now. I fight, no one fight. Woo. It's okay, baby. No, it's okay. It's okay.
You ready or?
Yeah, let me get toast.
We are white. We are white.
White. Let me get white egg white and bacon. That's it.
Alright, thank you.
And let me get a lemonade, right? Plain lemonade with ice, enough ice in it.
Alright, let me just take your fingers, okay?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Whoa. I talk about Sean, chin. Tell him say, are you have to give Sean the goods to make him can send chin. You have a young girl and your mouth your blood clot money and smoke out your blood clot money in the 90s. That's what they must worry about. Right now can't make no girl jam up my money because I chop him and chop the girl in her blood clot face. I take away every blood clot goes. I'm very run every bumble clot goods. That's different with me and you. No girl. Right now can't take my money and mine them. No girl. I make me find out. I judgment me leech in her blood clot head and me chop Brandon in blood clot head and block up him nasty thinking blood clot. So when you talk for the gram on, you can walk in my shoe. You come from Jamaica but you know bad. Me come from Korea, me bad in the blood clot. Me bad. Oh bad. Just let me come to America and change my life. Tired of you. Tired of blood clot you. Anytime you ready? Come fight. Me ready for fight now. Before me never ready, but no, me ready for fight. Me ready for fight now. I fight, me want fight now. Me ready for fight now. Me done with it. IG thing. Cause guess what? You tell beer life on the IG and you irritate me every day. And when you tell lie, me get more mad and more angry. Each time you lie, me get hungry and me get mad. So me mad, here they go. Me just want to go and punch out your blood clot and teeth them. That me want with you. Just want to go and thump out your pussy clot teeth them and lock it in if you want to know me want to do with you. I take my screwdriver and stop up your nasty thinking blood clot with it. I don't know want to do with you. But you So far where you are go, every minute you're jumping on my war. So far come out of this war, because this war don't belong to blood clot. You are telling that already, you know. See, all don't belong to this war. Come out of the war, stay out of the war. You may want the wall, you know. It's me a open blood clot war that me I want to upon this. Because when me come, I come for every blood clot team. Remember me tell you that. And you just sit down and watch the blood clot. Dirty idiot, liar woman, because she like blood clot show. She like a movie. A movie she make pan IG. Me not make no movie. Me not make no blood clot movie pan this. Money me say, this me a defend. Money. Money me a defend. Money. Money. I already heard upon the ground about this bagabani. Fly pussy, me I test you. Fly to the New York. I'm going to step a road to the party. Me I go party. I want any of your minions them step on my blood clot shoes. I want to see what God on a blood clot serve in America here. Because I go make the pussy clot news in this. Think I joke? Tired of you. Every day you just depend Kim. You sleep with the Kim, you shit with the Kim, you beard with the Kim. You wake up and war that now one upon this. Because when I come for every blood clot. Remember me telling you. And you just sit down and watch the blood clot. Dirty idiot, liar woman, because she like blood clot show. Why we not the same? I'm going to beat you and kick you in the cell too. I made them put me in the dungeon.
You come in my shoe shopping? Yes, you will get anything from me. These are true bag yours. Yes, anything you want, you get in my closet only. All of my closet you can get. See, me have a look, see the other Chanel.
Every day, every morning. Kim. Bring back my blood clot with your married. Don't you man. Bury your back. I'm going to bury my girl. We get in America. I can't put on no girl dirty wig for my clean blood clot head. I for show you. I never bury a girl dress yet. I never bury a girl shoes yet. I most bury a bag of a blood clot belt. Because the whole will do that. But no girl can come and say I bury them blood clot wig and pick up them wig out of blood clot garbage can. Not me.
You want me to buy that
first time I like fucking
here.
here. You don't like here.
You do that for you.
Let me get hot. Send back my wig. Send back my Fendi bag. Let me buy you. Everything I beg you. Remember the other day you tell Melissa bring back everything, you know. Remember you tell Melissa say, Melissa Jamaica. You tell Melissa say, must bring back the Jamaica. Me I tell the pan this on the IG. Send back my Fendi bag. I want it. I need it. Send back my the stick my body I buy you. I need it. Send back my blood clot. I need it. I send back every blood clot money me cash up from millennium. I need it blood clot. And that me I say, until you can send back the thing, you can chat to me. Otherwise you don't chat to me. Anytime you come in, I beat up your ass and thinking blood clot. You're telling me right?
7,000.
Don't worry on the IG.
1,000 for my shoes.
Don't worry on the IG.
They were like $600.
Everything I buy, everything I give, I want it. But you see the shoes I buy me, but the teeth and boots them. I got the chain and the glasses. That's for that blood clot.
Today, Sunday, the place for them. I don't want me to breakfast at them house.
That's everything.
Yeah, morning, guys.
I'm burn them up and show them. Badness.
Having breakfast.
Me want you
American lifestyle, you know.
Show us that you rich.
American style.
You can buy them back. You can't buy them back. You can't buy them back.
cash
You broke. You can't buy the wheel.
Cash
You broke. Yes.
Cash when I broke the wire.
Big woman. From America, you broke my blood
Can't
clot.
make 2 phone cards.
Yeah.
Cash.
Cousin man can't talk to me no more, you know. Can't tell me
See,
to go to jail.
if you have this money, I feel
be good man. I beat up you. I kick up up. I box back over and kick her up. I beat her up. So all this money, I go to prison for thinking big pussy.
If I'm on the real bag,
Carry this money. Ready for it.
I go to
It's a
prison.
cash.
So I don't care what no one wants to.
No
I
care.
don't enjoy everything.
If my have care, I can't
I'm
go
ready to
care.
fight now.
So,
Just tell me what go.
I look on them, you know. I rich, we say when I look back.
Fight.
I call you Crosby Stevie, you know, me loving her real life. And we always bring so,
Ready for fight.
ready for
blood clot fight. Ready for fight.
So no broke girl can't style me.
Just I go
No hype
outside.
and broke. No do that.
I go a road today.
No hype and
I
broke.
go a
No do
road
that.
tomorrow.
Listen, I'm late. It's my time, it's
Yeah.
my time.
And just flying, cause you have your dirty
real
blood
bag.
clot money.
You
have a dirty money, so buy a ticket and flying and you say you have a good credit and you're money. Flying.
Mama, read glasses.
From there you want to fight me? You ready to fight me? You ready for war now?
Yeah.
Come pussy, come here, step a road. You ready for your pussy?
Yeah. And I'm
come fight. Come ready for fight.
Choose to wear fear.
Ready for fight.
God bless me some. Back in this I used to wear fear. I want to start making enough money to start wear fear.
Francis TV, right now anything I done, I'm
support the
then I hold it.
That's what the Benz is.
I'm in my country, I want to support you.
I need it. That's some family there. Because material things don't make way.
Guess so.
Anything you want, I can buy it.
She not get a green card.
One time I
chop off her blood clot neck. She not get
no nothing to something though.
You not get a green card. And the Jamaica bury you. Blood clot come after them bury you. I'm in the bury you.
Back then.
Hello? I'm not getting a green card of a kid. Cause that you want?
If you have real.
Nah, lock me up. If you murder you, come now, you're gonna lock me up.
So you know you can't get anything.
Make sure you tell the FBI and the police.
Real money.
Say she's gonna murder you.
Real
murder
money.
I'm gonna murder you.
Money. Not a fake
So you're not getting a green card?
Work done.
And you're not
Take out your
doing good
money.
things then?
Show
And you're
some
not
money.
have no restaurant, you're not working in America.
And stop the chat.
Me, I got that prison, you're gonna ditch.
Chat too much.
You're
Every day
gonna
that's a chat. You know want to fight.
Why she want to war with me?
Because every day the
So long
pandits
time
tell
you
me
know
life
that
on the
she
ground. You don't tell life
push me in the corner.
They tell me tell
bully
them
me.
say me from
Yeah,
police.
this from social media.
Yeah, bad man.
And you're bringing everybody on the blood clot war.
No life for the gram.
No.
I will not live for the gram. You live for the gram. He's a storyteller.
A war time now. They say you come from Jamaica.
Yes, it's a storyteller war.
Blood
I'm
clot,
in a
man, in a
storyteller
blood clot.
business.
We
Me war with truth. I mean, war with lie.
I don't know who to listen to me.
Yes, war with
Probably
truth.
friend
You
had a
come for
pussy
me,
about that.
I will read out.
Gun me, a gun get
Bring back my blood clot wig. Bring back my Fendi bag. Bring back my Bodega shoes. Yes, that's me I talk about. Bring back my things then. Come and burn it up. Remember say you ask me when you're minister for the road, go thief. Remember say when you get to the minister don't want chat me.
You not tell her call me name.
Tell me someone give back your
You not tell her call me name every day. Just call me name.
Out of the barrel.
Every day.
Everything mash up in
I
woman
don't
barrel.
remember you. I don't want to be your friend.
Burn up everything.
What's the problem?
And you know the woman want to give to a Jamaica for the poor people of Jamaica. You can't style me no day.
Every day.
You can't front for them.
Every day does depend on
You
me.
can't front for me.
I
And
mean, I
like me
reach
and you
some.
know the truth.
There's some.
It's a fronter.
Reach some, me a down.
You can't style me no day.
I got hurt you.
Real money.
You might tell me I got hurt you. I tell you upon this. You've been troubling me, you've been troubling me, you've been troubling me, you've been pushing me. I got hurt you. Hurt me, I got hurt you.
Please, I'm sorry.
Hurt you.
And what would you like again?
Hurt you.
To order? I don't really
When I'm picking them come out, upstairs come look for blood clot. And I said, two come and say, look, I know, say, the people might send something and I'm coming, say. Them not do me like what them do you, them never send a blood clot for you. You know,
Nobody
many
now
of them
look
send
for me.
something on the book.
Somebody
Somebody will send something on the blood clot.
Nobody can look for
But
blood
this, I deal with you wicked now.
Yeah.
I deal with the gangster, with the nasty, with the no class way, the non-educated way, the non-business way.
Everything
Nah,
paying
I
at the
got no
street.
business, no
We know
horse, carry
we're pretty good in the street. We know nobody in the
But
street.
deal with you like I get a blood clot.
I say you want thief.
I get
My man, I want
and
thief. I
I
had a friend.
blood
He's a
clot
thief.
from.
He's a